Hello and welcome back to this week's episode of Related to Real Estate. It is March 31st, which means it is the end of quarter one and the beginning of quarter two. And so what we wanted to do today for you is to take a quick look back as well as a look forward on, what has happened the last 3 months in this crazy hot, historic 2021 real estate market, and also kind of where we're going to be going.
So on January 1 of this year, inventory was very low. And as we looked at today's inventory, as we turn the page to April 1, inventory still has no change. There's little to no change. With the seasonality factor, we're heavy into April, May, spring market, we'd expect a huge increase in supply or in inventory. So we don't have that. So what is next?
So we're watching that relationship between supply and demand, as we said. And obviously we have unprecedentedly low supply, especially given that we've just hit what should be the peak supply period of the spring 2021 real estate market. But obviously we're also still seeing, as many offers and most offers nowadays still are receiving multiple bids over asking, that demand is still very high. So you have artificially unprecedentedly high demand paired with still unprecedentedly low supply. So we're watching how that relationship between supply and demand takes its effect on prices over the next coming quarter, and what factors are going to be influencing prices, whether it be location, condition, or some others. So we're going to be keeping a very close eye on how the factors and how the levels of supply and demand continue to interact with each other over this next coming quarter too.
Awesome. That's it for this week's and Related to Real Estate. I'll look back and forward. We'll talk to you next week.
Bye, everybody.